Hi, boys and girls. Today for Unit of Study, you are answering these two questions. You may take a screenshot and upload it to Seesaw. You can draw on the screen to show your thinking. You can use words, symbols, or models and explain what you're thinking as you are showing your work. Number 1 says, explain the difference between the 9 in 39 and 2/10 and the 9 in 1 and 9/10, using words, symbols, or models to explain. Number 2 says, explain the difference between the 8 in 389 and 46/100 and the 7 in 4 and 7/10, using words, symbols, or models to explain. Be sure to use precise language and show clear mathematical thinking.